Pranam Gurudev. I have a small question. You say that we are not at our true self or Mool Swaroop when we keep working in a situation and still not happy with it. So, when we try to come out of that situation, we are considered as selfish or self centered. Should we feel guilty about that, or should we keep working hard in the same situation? Please guide. Thank you, Gurudev, for blessing.
Nehaji, it's quite natural for us to take care of what others think about us. However, my advice is very simple. You must continue to do what you love, and you are under no obligation to adjust yourself according to the expectation of others. It does not mean that in any way you should be disrespectful to them. Be loving towards them, be respectful to them, but at the same time make it clear to them that it is something that you want to do from the core of your heart. And I tell you, if you continue to pursue this principle, ultimately only you will win. The whole world behaves with you just as you want it to behave with you. If you keep on yielding to such important issues of life, you will make yourself a victim to the whims of others. Secondly, I would like to tell you, nobody can say anything about you because nobody knows you better than you. Whatever anybody speaks about you, truly speaking, he or she speaks about himself or herself. Man speaks his own mind, and in his speech he simply speaks about himself. So never get bothered about what others keep speaking about you. And I am telling you this principle more so because you can never satisfy others. Whatever be the method of your satisfying them, they can never be satisfied. It is the experience of those who have lived life to the depth of its being. And thirdly, I will like to tell you that you are always prone to seek opinion of others simply because you don't know your own self. Simply because you don't know your own original self. And I want to tell you that if somebody knows one's own self, he will not be bothered at all about what others are saying, what others are telling. Mahavir, Buddha, Krishna, Christ never bothered what people were speaking about them. And if you continue listening to your inner voice, one day will come that in pursuance of your inner voice, you will be doing what you love to do, and in the process, this will be the powerful device of knowing your own self. And once you happen to know your own self, your life and living will be an example for others. And if you continue to pursue what you feel worth doing from within, a day will come that others who are criticizing or trying to make you feel guilty will come up and start standing by your side. ultimately it is only you who will win. Thank you.